This is David from Aegean Locations. Today we are in Baba Çeşme and I'm going to show you this exclusive villa. This amazing property is built on a plot of 800 square meters and has 370 square meters living surface. Over here you have your private parking and it will be equipped with an electric charging station. The property has 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms and there are laminated floors everywhere. Over here you have the entrance to your private garden and I will show you more details later on. Yes, this is a super bright kitchen with very high quality finishes. Here we have some built-in fridges. It's all, by the way, from the Terrace brand, which is a German brand. Here we have a built-in induction stove, a built-in oven, and here we have a very high quality stone island, and you have access to your garden from here. Yes, welcome to the garden everybody. As you can see, it's a very modern and minimalistic garden, which I like. The pool is about 20 meters long and 5 meters wide. And the seller just explained to me that it's possible to close this whole pool. So for in the winter time, that's quite exciting and nice. He has offers for this and every customer can decide to do this. Of course, this modern villa is equipped with a smart system. You can control the whole house from distance. So for example, before your arrival, you can activate the air conditioning or the heating system. This is the master bedroom. As you can see, almost floor to ceiling windows. It's nice what they did with this corner design, so you don't have any edges. And you have view over the Boyerlijk Beach Bay. Check out this huge terrace, Suleiman. There are even apartments this size. By the way, about the location, we are located next to the main road. Over there is Çeşme and over there is Alaçatı. Çeşme takes about 5 minutes and Alaçatı as well. So the location is really central. This is the basement, which does not feel like a basement at all because it's super bright. And you have a private entrance to the garden from here. So actually you can use this floor as a separate apartment, which could be interesting for a bit older children, for example. And you have a separate kitchen over here. That was it for today. If you need more information about this property, do not hesitate to contact us directly. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.